In every sauna, there are two types of people. The people that are there for the sauna and the people that are there for the water slides. Which one are you?
Today we are exploring Fabryka Wody in my town of Szczecin to see what's the best way to spend the day.
The first thing to know about this place is that the tickets are quite complicated to figure out. In which case, if you don't know what you're doing, like we weren't, if you go to the front desk and just ask what's the best way of doing it, they will let you know and they will just do the tickets for you. It's the same price when you pay on the day or online, so there's no need to stress yourself looking online for tickets. Just come here and do it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
All right, let's get started. We agreed that we would spend the entire day together and try out each other's activities, Aqua Park and the sauna. But Asha immediately wanted to change the plan. Not today, Asha. First up is the Aqua Park. They told us the sauna opens at 12, so the first thing we're going to do is the Aqua Park. The indoor section we're going to be coming back to a little bit later on. It was due to rain and they were going to close the outdoor section, so we wanted to head there first. On a sunny day, this would be perfect. But not today. Let's check out the water slides. First slide of the day, let's go. Okay, drop slide now. These things absolutely petrify me. Okay. I hate these things, especially if they just drop. That's a good wake-up call. That was terrifying. Asha's now decided to come and join me on the slides.
Going to be myself, fly.
Okay, this isn't bad.
I am a passenger princess.
Oh! Oh, this is gentle. Yoo-hoo! Oh, that last leg against you.
That was my first slide today.
That's all of the outdoor slides that are available to us today. Now let's go inside, get Asha warm, and check out the slides in here. Okay, let's race and see who comes out on top. Oh, there's a start button. 3, 2, 1, start! We need to find some yellow ones. Where are the yellow ones? Okay, we found our donut and now we're gonna go and do the other slide. And I'm only talking to the camera so much because Ash is carrying it like this. I don't have to carry it. This one you can pick your own, pick which one you want. Let's go blue. Blue.
Why are we doing blue?
Oh, nice. I symbolize this one.
Oh, I like it.
That really threw us out.
I'm crazy.
All right, crazy frog. Yoo-hoo! I believe we've got one last slide to do.
Ladies and gents, let's fly. Okay. Thumb up, and let's go on a fun. Spinning! More spinning! Ah, more spinning! La, 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 la. Loads of spinning. That's Troy slide done, but this place has so many different interactive activities to do, so we're gonna check everything out.
Let's go see what else there is to do here. Just a cave to walk around, huh? I can't. The Cave of Wonders.
It's nice for the kids.
I remember when it first got announced that Szczecin is gonna get its own aqua park. It's been a long time without the park, but now it's nice. It took a long time to build, but now we're here, and it's nice. It has also some sort of educational areas, gym, bowling, climbing. There's a lot of things here. And for people from Poland, if you have multi-sport card, you can also come here for free.
But I think it's like no talking area or something, so...
Then Asha's in the wrong place. To the whirlpool! Some of the best things to do is just chill out and relax. There's so many pools in this place, so many jacuzzis, and so many little different things to do.
This way. Explorer.
Another cave to explore.
Oh, this is fun.
What's next? The Maze of Puddles.
No, I think maybe it's closed now.
Oh, it's closed.
Hi.
That was the main part done. Now let's go check out the sports pool. This looks like way too much exercise for me.
And too deep for me.
Let's get back to the slides.
They do kids classes and then they adjust the depth of the pool. Maybe I should do that.
Yes. A nice little fun kids area.
You want to play together.
Lots of things to do here. Ah, the infinity pool. Let's go to the infinity pool.
To the infinity and beyond.
There's so many things to do all around this place. So there's all the different jacuzzis and all these different pools, infinity pools. There's a whirlpool, all of the slides.
Oh, chill.
Okay, I think that brings us to the end of my section of the day. The sauna is open now, so we're gonna have a little look inside. As it's an 18 and over textile-free area, we are not allowed to film inside the sauna. But the Terma gave us one room to continue our vlog. There's 3 levels of saunas, and we are currently in the lower section, which is the kids area, as well as all of the treatment rooms and massage areas, and they even have a beer bath. Upstairs is all of the textile-free area, which we're definitely not allowed to go upstairs and and make videos.
There's about like 12 different saunas, all with a different style, different theme.
But they're all pretty much the same thing. You sit in a room and get hot. We just walked out of the sauna area and we see them building this. That is not how that room looked earlier. It looks like they're planning on building a little escape room inside this place.
Yeah, but it's kind of like a family-friendly escape room.
Then it was time for my favorite kind of escape room. Ah, and happiness.
How do you like my cocktail?
Oh, very good. Food looks actually not that bad. But we're not gonna eat here. Let's get out of here. In the end, final thoughts.
It was really nice and relaxing, but without the outdoor area, I wouldn't say it's a full day thing. We've been there for like 4 hours and we did everything we wanted plus record.
Couple of hours and we're done. But I would recommend you just do the aqua park. You don't have to do the saunas.
Oh no, you definitely, if you like saunas, this is a place to be. Like, sauna area was really good.
I hope this video was useful. We didn't answer any of the questions we set out to answer, but you got a good tour of what the place was.
What questions were there?
Which is better, to do this or this? Or which ticket should you buy?
If you like sauna, buy sauna. If you don't like sauna, don't buy sauna. Bam, there you go. Watch us. Click the like and subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.